pretty girl. Hi. Can you say hi? Mary. Hi. Hi. Can you say hi?
Hi.
What does a chicken say? What does a dog say? Oh, that's good veggie booty. What does a doggy say? Woof. What does a kitty cat say? Meow. What does a horse say? Neigh. What does an elephant say? That's right. What does a lion say? What does a duck say? Remember what a duck says? What does a duck say? Quack. What does a pig say? What does a pig say? What does a pig say? Should we come back to a pig? What does a snake say? That's right. What does a cow say? Look at Mommy. Mary. What does a cow say? What does a pig say? Goink. Oh, you don't like that one? Is that all our animals? Are we all done?
No.
Done. Love you. Say love you. Love you? Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. You gonna say bye-bye? Mwah. No bye-bye? No bye-bye? Everybody wants you to say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Have a big drink of milk first. Big drink of milk. Say bye-bye.